Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Java JDK 8.271 version with also I will show you Java how to create Java home and path in Windows 10 64-bit. So now we need to download. Minimize this one, open your browser. Here write Java Java space SE development kit 8. This one click, then click this link Java SE development kit. At this link click, then here you find Java JDK 8 all version. Here Java SE development kit 8. See down here Java SE development kit, this one for Linux, this one also for Linux, this one Mac, this one Solar. So this one also we need this one Windows 64-bit, this one, and click this link, then check mark license agreement, then click download JDK, this link, then come Oracle login page. This is Oracle account sign in login page. You write here your username, password, here username, here password, then click sign in. Will start automatic download. If you have no account, you need to create account, but I already downloaded before, so I skip this one. Like this way you can download. After download you find like this one. I close this one, so I drag this one here, then you start your JDK install, double click this one. This wizard will guide you through the installation progress. Okay, JDK 8 update 271. Okay, click next. Preparing to install. Then this is location where you want to install. I keep it up by default C drive inside this location. If you want you can change. Click next. This is very simple and easy. I think everybody know I make this tutorial only for beginner. Installation still processing. Here showing you will install JRE or not. So we need only JDK, no need JRE, because when we install WebLogic server and Fusion middleware, then you get error if you first install JRE. How can install JRE and configure browser data episode? I will show you. So now we need install only JDK. No need this one. This is Java JRE, this version showing here. So we need to close this one. This one you close, then click close. We need to close this one, then click yes, then click close. Our JDK installation finish 8. Click close. Now we need to check. Go to your installation directory Java, this PC. Now here we want to create Java home. First we need to check. Go to your Java installation directory, this PC, then C drive, then here program file, then here Java. This folder open, here you find JDK 8, this one, this URL copy, then go to this PC, here this PC right click, then click properties, then here click advanced system setting, this one, then click environment variable, this one click, then here click new, here two option, you see user variable for administrator, this is system variable, this one under we need to create Java home, click new and here write Java JAVA underscore home, right, and paste your path, this one, then click OK. So now we need to create path. So go to your again Java JDK install directory open bin, then copy this path, this one, then select path here, this one, then click edit, then click new, then here paste your URL location, then move this one up, move, then click OK, this one move here, then click OK, then click OK, then again click OK, then close this one. So our JDK download, install, finish, also finish Java home and path create. So like this way you can download and install, and also you can create Java home path like this way. This episode I make for this one my Oracle form and report builder 12c, another episode, that's why another step, this one, that's why I make this tutorial for beginner. So if you feel any problem, please comment me, I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.